Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High Top. The color is royal blue color. And this one was dropped on May 9th, 2020. Retail price on this was $170. So my son got lucky and he copped this, and somehow he didn't get charged for shipping fee or tax. It was $170 total. The style number on this is 555088-41. Colorway is black, white - game royal - black. So let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys to check them out. The resale on this right now is pretty high right now. Size 9 is going for about $266 to $280. So you want to make at least $100. So he did pretty good. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So there might be an invoice in here. Yep, there's an invoice. So I'm going to show you guys real quick that it's the item number, description, and color, the size, UPC code, quantity, the cotton label, okay? Let's go ahead and dig into it. Got this air bubble. I don't know why they put the label there, but what? Are you kidding me? So I'm not sure why there's a sticker right there. Maybe it's reserved for him. And then this is the Nike. Got the registered trademark right here. And then right there, got the Nike right here. It says 1985 Air Jordan 1. Nike and the swoosh name and stripe are trademarks. Then another Nike with the swoosh logo right there on the side. Let's check out the bottom. So a lot of you guys want to check out or legit check. Be sure to have this sticker right here, and then make sure the font it is the same. And then you got the Nike and also the swoosh word right there. And then you see the upside down, made in China. Be sure to look at that. Let's go ahead and look at the size label on the sticker. Be sure you get the same UPC code. And then this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. And then that's the style number. And this one is a USA size 9. And it is made in China, not Vietnam. You got the Euro size UK and then centimeter. There is your QR code. And be sure to look at the sticker right here on the upper right hand side. You always get the MSRP. And this one's $170. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Got the Nike swoosh right here on the top. And then swoosh logo right here. It is in upside down. Then there's your stamp right here for the quality control. Wow, look at that. You cannot go wrong with the Air Jordan 1. So you get the extra lace. It's a royal color. This one's the royal toe. Look at that. Smells good too. And you got the white wing Air Jordan logo right there. Got the black swoosh. Somehow this one is pretty nice. I don't see any glue yet. And then another black swoosh right here. There's a couple of the crease line right there. 1, 2. And then you got the padded black tongue with the Nike swoosh and Air. Wow, this one's pretty thick. Nice. You could feel the letters. And then there's nothing on the back. Right here, this is the shoes tree. You got the zi, that's the Chinese mean paper. Got the Air Jordan Jumpman right there, recycle logo. Another one right here, the circular. And it says 0F, that's 0P or 0F, AL 9 through 9.5. Okay, it's OF. And then it says dye out sock liner. Check out the inside right here. Let me see. Check out the size label first. Size 9 right there. Got the Air Jordan in the midsection. And then XC on the right hand side. Okay. Let me, do I need a flash? No. You got the Nike swoosh logo and then Air in the royal blue color. And then men's size 9 sticker right there. Got the black lace with the black tip. And then this is the royal with the royal tip. And then the zip tie. You guys want to check it out real quick. Make sure it is the same zip tie. Yeah, I forgot to check on the outsole. Got the traditional outsole right there with the Nike and Swish logo right there. Go and then check out the other shoes. Yeah, this one's pretty good. I cannot complain. I hardly see any glue at all, which is good. Except this one a little bit right there. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. So. Alright, so right here on the back of the heel cup, it's like always, all the Air Jordan 1 is pretty padded. So if you get like a fake one, probably not as padded as this, maybe just a thin layer. So this is pretty thick. It's all the way down there. Okay. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And then I'll see you guys on the next video. And be safe out there, like always. Peace.